Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to unban someone in Discord. So we are currently on my server here, and if you want to unban someone, just click on the top left corner here on this button here. So just click on that and click on server settings here. And once you're here, just click on bans here on under moderation. Click on bans, and as you can see, this person is banned from my server, and if you want to unban them, just click on them and you'll see here that the revoke ban button is here. And once you've decided, just click on revoke ban here. And after that, the person is unbanned, and you can invite them again or send them a link to the server again so that they can join the server again. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.